Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to copy link post on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to copy link your post on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can copy link your post on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your account. And then you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you will see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then in here, scroll down and select the post you wanted to copy the link. And then in here, to copy the link, simply tap on the send button. And then in here, you will see the option to copy link. Simply tap on this copy link. And as you can see in here, link is copied. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can copy the link of your post on Instagram, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way on how you can copy your link on Instagram post, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.